What's going on, guys? Tigerz here, back with another video. So today I just thought I'd show you guys just something that I know, like, for me, iPhone organization's always been an issue because obviously, we're not like Android. We don't have a way to hide all of your apps and then just have the selected ones you want on the home screen. And I know folders are a thing, but I've always found them to be quite messy, and it's kind of hard to keep an organized, nice-looking sort of organization for your iPhone apps. So I came up with something today that I feel works for me, and it might work for some of you, so I thought I'd share it. So, as you can see, this is just sort of like the standard layout for, the iPhone, the iOS. So I've got all the basic layout, as well as a couple of extras. I've got YouTube there on the left-hand side. I've put that there simply because back on, like, iOS 4, the original YouTube app was always there, and that's just what I've always stuck with since they got rid of it. And then at the bottom right, we have the utilities. The naming of the folders isn't really relevant, apparently, by the look of it, but I just call that the sort of utilities. That's like the other standard iPhone apps that weren't going to be able to fit on the front screen, etc., etc. But anyway, so then we move along, and then we have all my main apps. So these are the ones I use on a day-to-day basis, like social media, music, Amazon, stuff like that. These are all the ones I use on a day-to-day basis. Yeah, and then the next screen. Okay, so this is sort of like where the organizing comes in. So as you can see, on the left-hand side of the screen, we've got three columns. So what I've done is, so each row is dependent on the file. So the top one, we have business, which is all my photography business related stuff. So we have the three main ones that I use, and then the rest filed away. And then as you can see with the next ones, we have university. So that's like the main ones I use, and then the rest filed away, etc., etc., going down social networking, stuff like that. So it's just kind of like the three main ones you use, and then the rest are tucked away, and then you can just go back and find them if you need them. And then the last one is just, folders of everything else, just kind of organized, like games and stuff, because I don't really use those very often, but they are there. But yeah, so I thought you guys might find that kind of useful. It's just a quick little video. If you guys like the idea and are going to use it yourself, please let me know with a thumbs up and a comment down below. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Tigerz, peace out.